A lot of people think I actually started the company. I didn't start the company. The company was started back in the 1970s by a German couple named Hilda and Gerard. Interestingly, Gerard he was a bit of an engineer himself. He invented a series of products that we still have to this day. He did the C-ring davit systems, the swivel brackets, the motor brackets that are so commonly seen and duplicated by many other companies now. That was all originally started by him. Since I took over the company in 2017, I've not only continued to develop the product line, I've added a few products, as well as continuing that rich history with the C-ring davits, the line guards, and the motor brackets. We're also adding in the custom fabrication, the aluminum boats, the transom pods, the aluminum ramps and gangways, and growing the business that way.